Suppose x plus y is equal to 3 and x squared plus y squared is equal to 8. The question is to find the value of each of the following. Alright, it's given that x plus y is equal to 3 and x squared plus y squared is equal to 8, right? We know that the binomial square x plus y squared is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, right? So 3 squared is equal to x squared plus y squared, it is 8, right? So 8 plus 2 times xy. So 9 is equal to 8 plus 2xy. 2xy is equal to 1. Xy is equal to 1/2, right? So the value of xy, that is equal to 1/2. The second one, we have x over y plus y over x. In order to add them together, we're going to have to make the common denominator, right? So that is equal to, we have x over y plus y over x. I'm going to multiply by x here, y here, y here. So the common denominator is xy. So denominator is xy, and numerator x times x squared plus y times y squared, right? It was given that x squared plus y squared is equal to 8, right? So this is 8, and xy, we found it right here, which is 1/2, right? So this is equal to 8 over 1/2, which is equal to 16, right?